I'm László. I'm working for Fuel4. Fuel4 is a healthcare design consultancy based in Barcelona and in Singapore. We work in the area of health, which is a very wide area. It spans from personal healthcare to clinical healthcare. We use experience design that is always based on insights of people's experience, and then once we understand what are the issues, we translate these experiences to a less painful hospital visit, for example, or to a more successful strategy to stay healthier. So why Globodies? I think we all know this experience who are parents when we take our kids for some of the few healthcare visits to get a jab, to get an overall checkup, to go to the dentist. It's very difficult for kids to understand what is going on with them. They don't have the same reference and experience we have adults. So ultimately this can be a very stressful situation for everyone involved. Globodies is really a formalized tool to distract kids and really to introduce a very simple storyline within a consultation between parents, kids, and caregivers to distract. So the very simple storyline is, once the Globody is taken out of the house, he gets a bit nervous, and what the kid needs to do is stroke it, and through stroking, calm him down. And that's pretty much it. So the Globody will react with light feedback and with tactile feedback with the buzzer. It will be more and more relaxed the more the kid strokes it. So that's pretty much it. This can be then used by the doctor or the nurse to the way they like it, to distract the kid and administer the jab or make the examination. So working together with material researchers in the LTM project, I think highlighted a very interesting realization for me, which is there is a difference in sort of like time frame, a big difference of time frame when a designer thinks about the future and the scientist thinks about the future. So if you tell a designer there is this fantastic smart material that combines OLED and polymer piezo, and it's an instant interactive instant feedback material, a designer will immediately, once understand, can imagine really how to apply this. So at that point, this material is actually real in our mind. But during the almost 3 years process of this LTM project, I think we realized that it is a very different timeline for scientists. They only think that this material is real once it's really developed. So until the point where all the issues are solved, which is really many issues that a designer would never actually consider, they really don't have a kind of an experiential idea in the same way of this material or its impact as designers do.